Hi guys, today I thought we could have a quick chat about a muscle called the Latissimus Dorsi. It's a big muscle of the back and it has attachments underneath the arm at the base of the shoulder blade, then it comes across the back as a big broad muscle, attaches to a couple of the vertebrae in the thoracic spine, and then it attaches down at the top of the pelvis, the top of the rim of the iliac crest, and then it comes back up to attach to a couple of the lower ribs. It helps to give us extension of the arm, medial rotation and adduction of the arm, and as such is often referred to as the swimmer's muscle. It also helps to depress the shoulders. So if you're somebody that lives with the shoulders up here, especially as you do your core work, if you take on load and you pull up here, it will help you just to draw the shoulders down and stabilize the upper body as you work. So it's very helpful to sometimes have a little connection into the Latissimus dorsi when you're doing very loaded core work. It helps just to stop the shoulders to rise up. How do we work this muscle? So there's many ways to work it, but if you've got a couple of little hand weights at home, this is a nice little exercise to work the lats. So you don't have to have a ball, you can do it in standing, you can do the same movement in the standing position. But taking it over the ball, you kind of have to work into gravity, so it makes it a little bit more loaded, which is a kind of a nice challenge. So I'm going to take the arms up into extension, I'm going to medially rotate, and then I pulse inwards. And that's going to help work my lats. So I might do a set of about 12 of these, and then come back down, and then repeat, maybe do 3 sets. So you might want to know how we can stretch this muscle. There are many ways of stretching it, but a nice way of doing it is just grabbing hold of the pole. You could even use the sink at home. Place your hands over the sink, bend down into hip flexion, shoulders back, and then gently as you bend one knee, you can sway the hips over to one side, which stretches out the Latissimus dorsi on the left. I come back to center, draw my shoulders back. I'm going to bend my left knee and sway my hips over towards the left, which stretches out the right side. And you can also do hanging, which is just finding a large bar. Most of you won't have one of those at home, but if you go to the gym, you can hang off the rack, and that's a nice way and a very effective way of stretching out the lats. So have a play with that, see how you go, and have fun.